I bet you didn't know Lamborghini started with tractors. Yes, you heard that right. Back in 1948, Ferruccio Lamborghini founded Lamborghini Trattori, making rugged tractors for Italian farms. Fast forward to 1963, Ferruccio wanted more. After a spat with Enzo Ferrari, he decided to create his own sports cars. And guess what? Lamborghini Miura debuted in 1966, revolutionizing the supercar world. From the Countach to the Aventador, Lamborghini's been pushing the limits of design and performance. Today, they're not just cars, they're art on wheels. So whether you're dreaming of driving one or just drooling over pictures, remember, it all started with a tractor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic car stories. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.